years to come. Please join me, everyone, in welcoming the Columbus Citizen Foundation's president, Frank Fazzaro.
Thank you so much. It's a genuine honor to be here to close the bell on NASDAQ this beautiful Columbus Day. And it was a beautiful day. Today we honor the voyage of Columbus, but beyond that, 100 years ago, the great immigration of Italian Americans to Ellis Island. Excuse me. Those people came with little more than the clothes on their back. They didn't speak the language. They suffered a tremendous amount of degradation, but they had a work ethic, family value, a love of education that they passed on to their children. And along the way, built this city brick by brick. Their children, our parents, became the greatest generation. They were tempered by 2 world wars and the Great Depression, and they taught us the values that their parents taught them, and they educated us. And today we had a magnificent woman as a Grand Marshal, Maria Bartiromo, and 2 magnificent honorees, Frank Bizignano and Jason DeSena Trennet. Now, you all know about Maria, and she's the sweetest thing in the world. She's a member of our foundation, a member of our board of governors. But imagine her grandfather's love and pride in seeing what she accomplished. And the same thing with Frank Bizignano, who's Chief Administrative Officer of J.P. Morgan Chase, with more than 100,000 people under him at J.P. Morgan Chase that he's responsible for. And Jason Trennet, one of the foremost authorities and consultants of the financial world, and the founder of his own corporation, Strategis. Imagine their grandparents, 3 generations, from grandparent to child, accomplishing all that in such a short period of time. That's what the Columbus Foundation is about. This year alone, we will do $2 million in scholarships given to 650 Italian American kids. This is how we fight the bigotry. This is how we fight stereotyping, okay, by educating our kids so they can become successful. In addition to that, we've committed $500,000 to the College Board for the reinstatement of the Italian language in the Advanced Placement Program. That means that Italian and language and culture will be taught in schools across the country once we get to this crossroads. And another $250,000 for the earthquake relief in L'Aquila. So with that, and that's 1 year's almost $3 million that we'll raise and distribute. We're very proud of that, our 600 members. So on behalf of the Columbus Foundation, I wish everyone a merry and happy Columbus Day, and God bless all of you.